Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making some chocolate mochi balls. So here are the ingredients, let's begin. To a bowl, we'll be adding in our glutinous rice flour followed by our tapioca rice flour. So we'll be adding in our cocoa powder, sieve it through the flour and give it a good whisk. And here we are mixing all our ingredients together. Mix it well. Okay, so to a pan, we'll add in our butter, our sugar, okay, and our chocolate milk. Give it a good mix. So we'll put this on medium heat. Let the butter melt first before putting it to high heat and making it to a boil. Okay, so we'll keep stirring it just to make the heat more even around the mixture. Okay, so now that it's already at the boil, we'll be pouring this mixture to our flour mixture. Okay, so now that we have poured in our mixture, we'll be using our mixer to blend them together. So we'll be giving this a light mix. So once the liquid is no longer in the flour mixture, we'll be preparing to add our egg mixture. We'll be adding in our egg mixture. We'll be adding in a little bit at a shot. Okay, so every time when we add, we are just going to give it a whisk. So it's probably around 10 seconds before the next round of egg mixture. So all in total, I'll be splitting the egg mixture into 3 rounds, adding them at every around 10 seconds interval. So here I'll be adding in the second round of egg mixture. You can just adjust accordingly. You don't have to use up all the egg mixture. As long as the end of the result, it will just be a batter that is not too runny. That will be fine. So here is my third round of egg mixture. Alright, giving it a good whisk to make sure everything is well combined. Here is how the batter will look like, not too runny. The next step is to actually put them into a round shape. You can use a piping bag or you can just use a spoon. Alright, this is now ready for the oven. I've previously preheated my oven to about 180 degrees. Okay, and then after that, I'll bake that for 5 minutes and changing the heat to 160 degrees for another 8 minutes. So this is actually the inside of the balls. It's actually airy. Okay, I actually did different variations of it. At first, I forgot to put the chocolate chip inside, but it's still actually the same effect. It's actually still very airy and it's very stretchy, as you can see from the picture. So here it is, the chocolate mochi balls. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Alright, see you in the next video. Take care.